Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before or if you are subscribed. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Hannah. I am a Depop top seller, and I just wanted to show off some packages I got from Depop. So here's the pile of packages that I have to unbox. Some of these sellers are my close Depop friends, and some of them are just, items that I stumbled upon that I had to get. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and show you guys what I got. All right, so this first package is from my friend Alexa. She runs the shop Sunset May. I'll go ahead and put a screenshot of her shop right here. I love her feed, it's so cute. Go check out her shop. I love her very much. She's so sweet. She's one of my close Depop friends. She has this cute little hot pink mailer. Here is what I got from her. Oh, she gave me a bunch of goodies. Oh my goodness, look at the little goodie bag she gave me. All right, so here's what I got from her. It is this adorable little flower tank top from the early 2000s, and I saw it on her page, and she was having a sale, so I'm like, of course I have to buy something from her, but I had to get it because I love the pattern. And it has a little lettuce hem on the bottom, which I love, and the little goodie bag she gave me is so cute as well. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so she sent me 2 of her little stickers that she made herself. The talent jumped out, right? She's literally so talented. So here's my water bottle, and I actually already have one of her stickers on my water bottle from another purchase, but she literally just has the cutest stickers, so I'm glad she sent me more. I'm definitely going to be putting these on my water bottle or my laptop. And then she has her little business card in the order that just says her Instagram and her Depop, and it says thank you. And then she sent me this Vine sticker that said, and they were roommates. That's so funny. She gave me these little butterfly clips, and she gave me a little necklace with a little note in it. I'm gonna go ahead and read it. So this necklace is so cute. It looks like it's a little, it's a ball chain necklace, but it has a little, what looks like a vintage term on it, and it's super cute, and it's really well made. So her note to me says, happy birthday, Hannah, because I think I bought this on my birthday, and it says, I hope you like the necklace. It glows in the dark. Love, Alexa. That's cool. That's so sick. I guess the yellow parts glow in the dark. That's literally so awesome though. I love that. That was my package from Sunset May on Depop. And so for this next package, I knew nothing about this seller. I was just looking up pleated skirts on Depop, and I came across her shop, and she has a really awesome shop. Definitely recommend checking her out. I'll go ahead and put a screenshot of her shop right here. But it says it's from Ophelia S, and she had this really cute skirt that I liked on her page, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. All right, so here's the skirt that I got. I hope it fits me. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Look at this, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I was worried it was gonna be too short because I'm 5'10", and wearing skirts is you never know if it's gonna be too short, but this looks like it's absolutely perfect. And also, it's just this houndstooth pattern, which is super cute, and you can literally wear it with anything. It's so versatile. The brand is Express, and I am so excited to wear this. So super happy I found this on Depop. I think I got it for $14, which is honestly a steal. So happy about this skirt. So anyways, on to my next package. Again, I'm unfamiliar with this seller. I just came across this shop when I was browsing on Depop. One of the things I search often is Goosebumps, because I love the freaking Goosebumps series. And in the 90s, the Goosebumps book series released a clothing line, or they had a club where you would get clothes and stuff. So Goosebumps has licensed merch. So I always look on Depop for Goosebumps stuff. And I found this Goosebumps bandana. Literally so freaking cute. I wear bandanas all the time because my hair is growing out after I shaved it. So anyways, I got this Goosebumps bandana. Here's what it looks like. Super cute. You can kind of see through it, which is fine, I don't care. But this is so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It kind of smells like maple syrup. It's so funny. I love it though. So this next package is from Knickknack Vintage. I have been following him for a little bit, and he posted this shirt on his story, and I'm like, yes, I have to buy it, have to support him. I love his shop. I'll go ahead and put a screenshot of his Depop right here. And he has some cute pineapple packaging, which I love. So he has a little note and some other stuff in here. Oh, there's stickers. Oh, I'm so excited. I love these. He sent me stickers, and the stickers just say Knickknack Vintage, which is the name of his shop. He sent me a little note that says, thanks, Go Soda. I hope you enjoy the shirt. Don't forget to tag me on IG when you wear it. Of course. I'm so excited for this shirt. It's so cute. I saw it and I'm like, yes, because if you guys don't know, I made another YouTube video where I cleaned out my closet and I got rid of a bunch of stuff, and I'm like, well, I gotta get some cute stuff to replace all the stuff that I got rid of. So I saw the shirt and I knew I had to get it. It is this strawberry shirt. It is vintage and it has these like, it has like a puffy graphic of like strawberries on the front. And it's so cute. They're kind of in the shape of a heart almost. I might crop this or something. I don't know, but I love it. I love it. It's so me. The brand is Crazy Shirts and I love that tag. Super cool. So this next package I am so excited about. So here's what it looks like. She literally decorated it in all these stickers. So basically my friend Cameo, who runs Junebug's Gems on Depop, I'll put a screenshot of her shop right here. She sells like crystals and gems and different kinds of rocks and stuff. And I've recently been getting into like crystals. So since she runs this entire Depop shop where her like job is to just like sell crystals for a living, I messaged her and I'm like, hey girl, can I order like $20 worth of crystals? And since I'm new to like getting into crystals, can you write like a little description with each crystal so I can like get to understand what it does and like what it means and like where it's from, like that kind of thing. And she was like, of course. So this is like a mystery crystal pack and I'm so excited to open it. All right, so we have this little note that says thank you. And it says sending love and light and you're the best. And this is Happy Halloween on the back, which I love. Happy Halloween, you guys. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I am so excited. So she sent me a little note card and it says, Hannah, thank you so much for your purchase. I've selected some large chunks of rose quartz, honey calcite, and amethyst, as well as a selenite wand. That's cool. I hope you love everything. I handpicked them just for you. And then it has like, just like how I asked her to do, just like a little description of everything that she included. And then on the back it says her handle, which on Depop and Instagram it's the same. It's just Junebug's Gems. If you ever need any gems, go ahead and check her out on Depop and Instagram. Oh, she sent a little goodie bag. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So we have a little tea candle. Could always use a little tea candle. And then we have, oh my gosh, I've been looking for different teas, like trying out different teas. And she sent me an orange and spice tea bag, which I will definitely be trying later tonight because that sounds awesome. And then also in the goodie bag, she has all these stickers, which are super cute. She has a little Halloween puppy sticker, a ghost puppy sticker, which is totally on brand for me. Oh, a little ladybug holographic sticker. And then just a bunch of other ones. She sent me one with a rat and a pumpkin on it. I love rats. I used to have rats and then they passed away. So that's sad, but I miss them. I love rats though. So thank you for all the stickers, Cameo. Okay, now I'm gonna get into the crystals. I think this might be the wand that she was talking about. The selenite wand, if I'm pronouncing that right. Wow. Okay, so here's the little selenite wand. Literally, look how that catches the light. It's like reflecting the light, super weird, but I love it. I'm living for it. So this is the selenite, and she said it clears and cleanses negative energy and it charges other crystals, which is really cool. I'll have to see how to use it and what to do with it, but here's what it looks like. All right, so I am unwrapping the other crystals that she gave me, and honestly, these are so pretty. These are so pretty. So I know this is an amethyst. So she said the amethyst. So she says the amethyst. She said the amethyst soothes anxiety, clears the mind of negative thoughts, and reduces stress, which is always awesome. I know I have an amethyst already, but it is polished, so it's nice to see amethyst in its raw form. And here is the rose quartz, which I already have a big stone of this, but it's nice to have another one because why not? And it is a stone of love, and it clears jealousy, sadness, and anger, and it amplifies self-love, which is something we all need, right? And then this must be the honey calcite. And she said this enhances self-worth and confidence and brings courage. And then she also sent this little one in the goodie bag that she sent me. And if I am correct, this might be citrine because I have a citrine at my desk that helps me with like, it's supposed to help like work ethic and stuff. But she sent me 5 crystals, so she's awesome. So here's all the crystals that she sent me. So thank you, Cameo. I'm so excited to put these in my room. So this next package that I'm opening, I think might be in a package from eBay. If I am correct, this is a bulk order of like vintage McDonald's pins that I was gonna put on Depop. But let's just go ahead and see what I got myself into. Yeah, so these are the McDonald's pins. They're super freaking cool. So this one, look Look how old this little McDonald's pin is. I don't know, they're just like cool and collectible. This is from 1992. This is so funny. It says bucket and mop, and it doesn't have a year, but it says, look, it says bucket and mop, which is like a WAP reference, but like it's not because it's literally from like the 90s. This one says, I love McDonald's. This is funny. This says, serving you, manager and crew, and they're like posing, so it's like they're serving, I guess. But isn't that like a more recent term, like serving looks? I don't know, that's weird that all these vintage pins are referencing pop culture references, I don't know. But this says 1990 on it. Here's a McDonald's milk from 1986. So this one's from the 80s. I'll probably post all of these on my Depop as a bulk thing, so you can buy like all of them for like, I don't know how much I'll price them at yet. But yeah, super cool. So my last package is from the Depop Seller Night Court. I'll go ahead and put a screenshot of their Depop shop right here. I have been following them for years on Depop, but I haven't been able to buy anything until recently. I saw this shirt on their shop and I knew I just had to get it. It is so freaking cute. This is the shirt that I bought from them. Oh, it's so cute. It says Hard Rock Cafe. So it's like a parody of Hard Rock. I don't know, I just thought that was really funny. I'll put all the shop's links in the description along with their usernames and what I got from them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. That is the end of my haul. If you don't follow me on Depop or Instagram already, my Depop username is GhostSoda. And if you want to follow the shop on Instagram, my username is ShopGhostSoda. I am active on both of them every day. I would love to see you there. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.